like I really needed to do another review on a small parts container. But I found this one at Aldi. It is the Work Zone. Has a folding handle and the top drawer lifts back. Anyway, let me get a close-up on this and we're going to start the review. This is model number, I'm going to tell you in the close-up. So stay tuned and I'll be right back with you. Here we go with the Work Zone small parts container. It has 18 compartments, 12 on the top, 3 on the bottom. Sturdy plastic, see-through top right here. Nice carrying handle right here. No issues with that at all. So if you're carrying it like this, all your parts are going to stay where they're supposed to be. Now we have a flip top lid right here. Let's see, here we go. Got to unsnap these, and then this just pops right up. Now the hinges will lock this into place. Here are the 12 compartments. Nice plastic. They do bend a little bit, but they won't break unless you abuse them. They do fit snugly. You'll notice on here there's these little raised areas which will go into the bottom of this, and it just sits nice and perfect in there. It won't move. Nice feature. Now if you prefer, you can leave a couple of these out for bigger items, whatever you need. On the lid it has these little things right here. I guess we're going to call these a bin dividers. And when this closes, it will be on each side of these bins right here and lock them into place. Okay. Hinges on the back, nice heavy duty. Shouldn't break under normal use. And if we just pull this open, you'll see what's in the bottom. 6 containers in the bottom, similar to the top. Double the size. It also has the places on the bottom to hold your bins into place. No issues with that. Now how deep are these? I don't have a tape measure with me, but we're just going to drop this Husky razor knife for comparison. There we go. And overall height, you cannot stand one up in there, but easily fits this way. And on the top, does not fit in one of these top ones. So there you go. For a Sharpie will fit in the bottom, will not fit into the top. So that gives a general idea of the size that you can use this for. Let me lock these back into place. I'll show you the sides. There we go. Here's the front side. Here's the bottom, back side, this side, and this side. Nice little toolbox here. I'm pleased with the size of this, but the reason I bought this, let me open this up. I'm going to turn this sideways, pull this open. Put my glasses on real quick. This is the reason I bought this container, and I think it will be handy for most of you out there. If you take 3 bins out, such as this, grab your Dremel. I'm going to take this handle right here off. Just drop that in there, drop this in there, wind up the cord. There we go. Dremel stored right there, no problem, no issues. You can add other stuff in there if you like, such as the flex shaft. Get those out of the way. I'm going to put these other items in here. I have this cutoff wheels. It's too big to put in the top. I'm just going to slide that in right there. Other accessories such as those can go there. Let's go ahead and fill that up. This can go there, that can go there, that can go there. This can go here. Go ahead and throw all these little pieces in there. I'm going to give it a little shake test once I get all these in there. Buffing wheels, let's just throw those right there. This is wax. This is a collet. See, sanding drums, we're just going to drop those right there. Sanding drums in mandrel. Odds and ends stuff. Dressing stone. Just drop that in. There we go. We got something in every compartment now. Let me close this up. And I'm going to close this up. No issues. Now, I'm going to shake this a little bit and see if, let me open this back, let me get a quicker look at that again. You can see it, something in every compartment, and everything's basically divided up into same types. Close that back up. I'm going to, there we go. Let's give this a shake test, see what happens. There you go, that's good enough. Now, you'll see all my cut-off discs. You can see how thin these are. None of these shifted to a different compartment, which is what I was trying to do. I was trying to get them to shift over, but they're not shifting, so that's a good thing. So this would be a great carry case for your Dremel or Rotary tool and accessories. Got this from Aldi, and I believe it was under $15. Nice case. If you have a need for this, I encourage you to go check it out. Leave me a review if you have one, or if you buy one and like it, don't like it, whatever. Just leave us a review. I do appreciate you being here with us today.